Yes, students, today are going to see another one experiment, that is simulate an Ethernet LAN that is using the n number of nodes, that is 6 to 10 nodes. So in this experiment you have to change the error rate and the data rate, and then you have to analyze the number of the packets dropped and what is the throughput. So for that, first one here we are going to draw the topology here. Okay, so here we are going to select the nodes. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. The next one here we are going to choose 4, 5 and 6. Okay, I am going to use the hub here for the connectivity, and here I am going to use a switch. Okay, so make a connectivity to this particular hub. So this is two different networks are interconnected with the help of the switches here. Now you are going to send the information from node 1 to node 4. Okay, so just see what is the IP address of this. So for that you go to the edit mode, save the file. Okay, so for that go to the slash user local nctns tools experiment. Okay, exp3 dot tpl. Okay, save. Now click on this, add the command here. Okay, the command is that here we are going to use the TCP traffic here. So here we are going to type stcp hyphen p, port number I am going to use 7000 hyphen L 1024 payload size. Okay, next one give the address of the destination 1.0.1.4. okay, so HTTP hyphen p port number, then you are going to give the payload size and destination IP address, browse. So here it is that experiment3.tpl. okay, okay, go to the node editor, Mac layer here. Okay, so here it is you are connected to that hub over there, so that's why it is showing the half duplex log packets. So what you are going to analyze here, so here it is a outgoing packet from this side. Okay, then you can check the number of drops, or if you want you can check the number of collision packets. Okay, okay, now in the physical layer, okay, you just check that the bandwidth is 10, but your error rate is 0.0. So initially you are going to keep it 0.0, and next time continuously you are going to increasing the error rate, and then you are going to changing the bandwidth. Okay, so according to that you people have to analyze, okay, what happens when the error rate is going to be increased. Okay, whether the throughput is going to be fall or not. Is it clear? So that one you are going to analyze, okay, by changing the different error rates and by changing the bandwidth. So this is the aim of the experiment. Continuously you have to modify it, then you have to run the simulation, and then you have to check the throughput and drop the packets. Okay, so here it is, add the command. Okay, that is the receiver side, that is a rtcp. Okay, so that is hyphen p, port number 7000. Okay, so hyphen L, payload size 1024, browse experiment3, open. Okay, so in this way here you have typed this particular command. Now okay, go to the node editor, Mac layer, log packets, to check the incoming packets, number of drops, and number of collision packets. Okay, Okay, in the physical layer it is the same, bandwidth is 10, bit error rate is 0. Click on the OK, OK, or yes, OK, simulation run. Simulation is done, file transfer are done. We'll just check it out. Yes, TCP, okay, -p, port number is a 7000 -L for 1.0 to 1.4. We have given experiment 3. It is the IP address of this 1.0. It is 1.6. Okay, I have to change to IP address here. Modify, it is not 4, it is how we are sending it to not 4. The IP address is 6. 1.6. Okay. Simulation run. Simulation is done, file transfer are done. Yes, yes, now it is transmitting the data. Okay, so as you already explained about that, it is connected to the hub. All the nodes which are connected to that hub, everyone is going to receive here. Okay, because it is hub is going to work on a broadcast model. So node 1 is sending, node 4 is going to be receiving. IP address of the node 4 is 1.0.1.6. So the red line here for all others indicating that they are going to discard the frames and only the node 4 is going to receive it. Okay, just see it here. Okay, so this is the green line. The green line here it is going to be, so the blue line will be there. So that blue line here it is going to be indicating that it is going to accepting data, and here in this red line will be there, that is for node 5, 6 and node 2 and node 3, they are going to discard the data. Okay, so this is the difference between the hub and the switch. Switch knows that on which outgoing port the destination is connected, only that port it is going to be transmitting the data, but hub is going to work on a broadcast model. So once you have done this, you just go to the results, okay, and then you analyze what is the output, throughput and input throughput for the bandwidth and for the error rate. So next time you just change the error rate, run the simulation and note down what is the output throughput and what is the input throughput. You have to do this okay, for 5 to 6 times with a different error rate and with a different bandwidth rate. So this is all about this particular the experiment. Okay, so thank you.